Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert a PDF to Google Sheets. So if this video helps you, subscribe and rate support me. So go to Google and type in convert PDF to Sheets. And if this video helps, subscribe. So convert PDF to Excel, XLS, how you want it. So we here click on it and then click on select PDF file. Now locate your PDF file and select it. And I'm going to get a random one for you guys. So yeah, put in your PDF here. Um, okay. And now convert. So select if it's one sheet or multiple sheets. I'm gonna keep one sheet and click on convert. And now click on download. And now what we need to do is go to Google Sheets. So open up Google Sheets, google.com/sheets. Okay, and now take your thing and just drag down. But it won't work like that. We need to go to Google Drive. So let's do that. So then go at the top here, click on new, click on file upload, and then upload the PDF, Excel or Sheets file. And now it might load a bit. Now open it up. And now it's opening the file on Google Sheets. This will take a few moments and it's converted. So I hope this video helped you. Subscribe.